Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store, which means if you sign into iTunes store and you see this kind of interface, then how you can fix that. There will be two options available. The first one is cancel, the second one is review. So the first fix is in that, so you have to review your Apple ID into iTunes store, and by reviewing you can simply sign into your iTunes Apple ID into iTunes store, and this error will be fixed. If the error is still there, there is also another method which works for many iOS and iPhone users. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store, and here what you have to do next is you have to simply search for an app which is available free. So you have to download any app from the App Store which is available free, and after downloading the app from the App Store which is available free, you can simply sign into iTunes again and you cannot get that error again. In this way you can simply fix that error. If you still feel any kind of error, you can also mention here as in comments so that we can solve it for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.